In this video, you will learn how to forecast your Google Ads ROI. First, know your conversion value. Determine how much each conversion is worth to your business, such as product sales, lead and sign up. Example, if you sell a product for $100 profit and profit $40 per sale, your conversion value is $40. Estimate your conversion rate. Use past campaign data or industry averages. For example, if 100 people click on your ad and 5 make a purchase, your conversion rate is 5%. Calculate estimated conversions. Multiply your expected number of clicks by the estimated conversion rate. Example, 1,000 clicks times 5% is 50 conversions. Estimate total revenue. Multiply your estimated conversions by conversion value. For example, 50 conversions times $40 is equal to $2,000 in revenue. Calculate your ad spend. Multiply your expended number of clicks by your average cost per click. Example, 1,000 clicks times $1.50 CPC is equal to $1,500 spent. Forecast ROI. Use the ROI formula. ROI is equal to revenue minus ad spend. Divide ad spend times 100. For example, $2,000 take away $1,500, divide $1,500 times $100 is equal to 33% ROI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.